making slime, and the ingredients are 2 spoons, measuring spoons, and we're gonna need 2 bowls and some food coloring and some glue and some Borax. Your first step is pouring all of the glue in one of your bowls, and I am going to pour into my blue because I like blue as my favorite color. No, purple, but blue looks like purple. And that's next up. So let's do it. How much is half, Mom? Let's do it.
The whole thing. Now what are you doing?
Next up is mix up the water.
It's so gooey.
It's ugly. Next up is this food coloring, and I'm gonna pick blue, but you could pick up whatever color you want. But I'm just gonna do this because it's kind of like purple. It just said that, but now let me pour it in you. Next up, you have to mix it.
Ew, gooey.
You 1 cup of warm water inside of your other bowl, then some borax.
1 teaspoon borax.
1 teaspoon of borax. You have to mix it. That's not my favorite part. Trust me. It was too small, so make sure you have a big bowl. Then I'm gonna pour this in.
Now what are you doing?
Pouring this gooey stuff in. Ew! Yuck! 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 Yuck!
That looks awesome.
Ew! It's so slimy. Touch it. It's getting cold. Ew!
That looks fun.
Ew! Try it.
Is your hands? Gross.
I'm gonna be teaching people about things, but whatever. You can use a spoon if you want, but
Yeah? Are you gonna? That looks fun.
No.
Are you gonna touch it?
yes.
Let me see. It was so flubbery.
Isn't it gonna be fun making
It
this?
looks fun. It looks very fun.
Mix it until it looks like this, and then you can play with it.
You see? Ooh,
And you can
gross.
play
It's so
however you
gooey.
want with it, but if you don't have a big bowl or anything, and you leave it out, and you leave it out of a bowl without a top, it dries. Bye guys, thanks for watching.